How to redeem code on Xbox. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Geek. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can actually redeem your code on your Xbox One console. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to redeem your Xbox code, first of all, I'm showing this on the OS version 10.0 on the Xbox One console. So your version could be different by the time when you watch this video. Just grab a controller and then press the Xbox button and select store on the rollout menu, as you could clearly see, and alternatively you can also select the store tile on the home screen as well. Once you do so, expand the store menu and then select the option called redeem, and you can locate this towards the bottom left hand side under the card section and above the settings section. Once you select redeem, choose the option called redeem a code, and then you have to enter the 25 character code. Make sure to ignore the inserting hyphens, and then after that just select next and follow the prompts to complete. And that's all it takes to redeem your code on Xbox. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.